Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best mini pool tables that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Mini Tabletop Pool Set. Make game night fun for family members of all ages with this mini pool table by Hey Play. This tabletop set comes with triangle rack, table brush, pool stick shock, 2 pool cues, and pool balls. The compact size of the table makes it portable and easy to store. Important: avoid buying counterfeit products and transacting with unauthorized sellers. Look for our logo on the packaging for every one of our products. Hey Play is committed to providing the consumer with the absolute best price and value on our entire line of products, which we ensure by applying a rigorous quality control process. You don't have to have a game room or basement to own this cool, tabletop version of the game we all love. At 20 inches long, it will make a great addition to almost any room in the house. Lightweight and easy to move, it's big enough for heated action, but small enough to stow away when not in use. It also comes with 2 pool cues, 16 balls, triangle, brush and the chalk. No assembly required, pull it out of the box and start having fun. At number 4. Matty's Toy Stop Deluxe Wooden 20 inches Mini Table. Matty's Toy Stop Deluxe Wooden 20 inches Mini Tabletop Neon Pool Billiards table with 15 colored balls, 1 cue ball, 1 brush, 2 pool sticks, 2 cubes of chalk and racking triangle, is awesome. You don't have to have a game room or basement to own this cool, tabletop version of the game we all love. At 20 inches long, it will make a great addition to almost any room in the house. Lightweight and easy to move, it's big enough for heated action, but small enough to stow away when not in use. It also comes with 2 pool cues, 16 balls, triangle, brush and 2 chalk cubes, all with an awesome neon theme. No assembly required, pull it out of the box and start having fun. For ages 6 and up 2 players, fun for the whole family, this is quite enjoyable to play on the coffee table. Also my 11-year-old is having fun learning to play pool. On this lockdown time we are glad to purchase something to keep us engaged and not be bored. Also this is not neon, which is perfectly fine. At number 3. Mainstreet Classics 20-inch Table. If you've ever wanted all of the fast and furious fun of foosball but had no space for a table, you are in luck with the Mainstreet Classics Tabletop Foosball Mini Game Set. This portable table can be taken with you wherever you want to play fast and furious action. The tabletop foosball table is the perfect size to play this fast-paced favorite anywhere with a flat surface, without committing space or funds to a full-size table. The small size doesn't take away any features that you've come to expect from arcade-style tables like an automatic end ball ret, urn or a slide scorer to keep track of your wins. The convenient size allows you to bring your table to any room where there's a social gathering and store it away when the gathering has subsided. The Tabletop Foosball Mini Game Set includes all of the crucial accessories you need to play, sized perfectly for the miniature table, 2 soccer-style foosballs and 4 rods for the foosmen with comfortable rubber grips. At number 2. https://amzn.to/36everge. What sizes are the pockets? Connor pocket, height 10.6 in, diameter 3.8 in, side pocket, height 10.6 in, diameter 3.8 in. How many pocket screws are included? Included 12 PCs bolts, 12 PCs washers, 24 PCs screws. Does it come with installation directions? No, but you can find the installation instructions on the internet for free. Installation process is easy. Basic tools needed are socket wrench set and needle nose pliers. The rails will have to be unbolted from the bottom and there are usually some staples or screws that secure part of the pocket nets to the underside of the table. Pull those staples or screws out and the pockets, rails will come off the table. The pockets should then be able to be separated from the rails for replacement. We did not provide installation directions. Finally, at number 1, Mainstreet Classics Miniature Pool Game Set. Made of super quality materials, this mini pool table provides you with better billiard playing experience. In this, you will find a smooth surface at the top for comfortable playing. Moreover, this never compromises when it comes to performance and comes with easy-to-install process that requires very less time. This is small in size, which makes it convenient to store and transport it easily. Furthermore, this is one of the classic product within its category and comes with a pocket-friendly price tag, which makes it attractive towards an ample number of users. This has a better finishing and comes with heavy construction for added durability. The Mainstreet Classics tabletop billiards can supply all the fun of pool, without taking up the majority of a game room with an expensive table. The compactness of the table enables easy storage and portability for condensed fun anywhere with a table or flat surface. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.